Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, Rahul. Rahul is my best friend. Second, car. I go to Jaipur by car. Number 3, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 4, bus. I go to school by bus. Number 5, lotus. Lotus is a beautiful flower. Number 6, bird. Birds fly in the sky. Number 7, sky. The color of sky is blue. Number 8, jump. She jumps on the table. Number 9, help. They help to the poor. Number 10, learn. I learn my lesson. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.